Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a crucial accessory for maintaining the longevity and sound integrity of your beloved JBL Endurance Peak series and Endurance Race earphones. We're diving into the TENNMAK Earbuds Dust-Proof Mesh Replacement, a product designed to keep those precious drivers free from debris. For anyone who owns the JBL Endurance Peak 3, Peak II, Original Peak, or the Endurance Race models, these tiny filters are an absolute necessity. Over time, the original meshes can get clogged with earwax, dust, and other particles, which not only affects the audio clarity but can also lead to damage. This replacement kit offers a straightforward solution to that common problem. The TENNMAK brand presents this offering with a strong claim. The quality of these replacement dust meshes is almost identical to the original filters found in the JBL earbuds. This is a significant point, as maintaining the acoustic properties is paramount. The material used is nylon, which is a standard and durable choice for such components, ensuring effective dust filtration without impeding sound. The meshes come in a discreet black color, blending seamlessly with the aesthetic of the compatible JBL earphones. What's included in the package is quite thoughtful. Each purchase provides 5 pairs of these dust filters, giving users ample replacements for multiple instances or for refreshing several sets of earbuds. Crucially, a pair of tweezers is also included. This small but essential tool makes the installation process considerably easier and more precise, preventing fumbling with tiny components. Speaking of installation, the process itself is described as being quite simple, with a recommendation to check a video guide for visual clarity. The steps are logical and user-friendly. First, the old, potentially clogged dust filter is carefully removed using the provided tweezers, and the earbud tube is then cleaned thoroughly to ensure a pristine surface. Next, a new dust filter is picked up with the tweezers, ensuring it's handled without direct contact from fingers, which could transfer oils or dirt. Finally, the new filter is carefully pasted onto the earbud tube and pressed several times to secure it firmly in place. This straightforward method means that anyone can perform this maintenance task at home without needing specialized tools or expertise. The compatibility list is clear, covering the JBL Endurance Peak 3, JBL Endurance Race, JBL Endurance Peak, and JBL Endurance Peak II, ensuring that owners of these popular models have a dedicated solution. The item dimensions, listed as 5.9 x 3.91 x 0.2 inches, likely refer to the packaging, indicating a compact and easy-to-store product. In conclusion, for those seeking to extend the life and maintain the pristine sound of their JBL Endurance Series earbuds, the TENNMAK Earbuds Dust-Proof Mesh Replacement appears to be an excellent and practical investment. Its near-original quality, comprehensive kit with tweezers, and simple installation process make it a highly recommended accessory for any owner of the compatible JBL models. It's a small component that plays a big role in preserving the listening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.